Today, we will be discussing two important concepts, IoT and M2M. We'll explain what they are, how they differ, and why they are important. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Now let's dive in. You may have come across the terms IoT and M2M. They are often used interchangeably, but they refer to different technologies. We're going to break these concepts down for you. Let's start with M2M, or machine-to-machine communication. M2M refers to direct communication between devices using wired or wireless networks without human intervention. It's typically used for specific applications, such as industrial automation and remote monitoring. For example, a vending machine can send a signal to a supplier when it needs to be restocked. This is a straightforward, point-to-point communication between the vending machine and the supplier's system. Now let's talk about IoT, the Internet of Things. IoT involves a network of interconnected devices that communicate and share data over the Internet. It enables devices to interact with each other and with cloud-based services, creating a more integrated and intelligent system. Imagine your smart thermostat adjusting the temperature based on your daily routine and the weather forecast, or your fitness tracker sending your health data to your doctor in real time. These are examples of IoT, which involves complex multi-directional communication using Internet protocols. So, what are the key differences between M2M and IoT? M2M is typically used for specific tasks and involves direct communication between devices. It operates within closed systems with predefined protocols. In contrast, IoT encompasses a broader range of applications and uses Internet-based protocols for communication. It aims for high interoperability among diverse devices and systems, allowing for more complex and intelligent interactions. To break it down further, think about these examples. M2M. A vending machine sends an alert to the supplier when it needs to be restocked. IoT. Your smart fridge checks its inventory, orders groceries online, and schedules a delivery, all while you're at work. Understanding the difference between M2M and IoT is important because these technologies are shaping the future. From smart cities to healthcare innovations, IoT is driving a revolution in connectivity, making our lives more efficient and convenient.
Machines are talking, and they're doing it without us. From smart meters to delivery trucks and even vending machines, they're all part of a massive shift in how data moves. It's called M2M communication, and it's one of the key technologies making automation and IoT possible. So how does it work, and why should businesses care? Let's break it down. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. M2M stands for machine-to-machine communication. It's exactly what it sounds like. Devices talking to each other without any human involvement. These machines collect, send, and receive data automatically using cellular networks, Wi-Fi, or even satellite. M2M is often confused with IoT, but here's the difference. M2M is the communication layer, the actual connection between machines. IoT includes M2M, but it also covers user interfaces, analytics, and cloud platforms that make sense of the data. M2M systems typically include four main components: a device with a sensor or module to collect data, some way to connect the device to the internet, like a SIM or eSIM, a network connection, often cellular, sometimes satellite or Wi-Fi, a platform or server to receive, process, and store the data. Let's say a weather station in a farm field records temperature and humidity. That data is sent over a 4G or 5G network to a server, which can trigger alerts, adjust irrigation systems, or feed into a larger analytics platform. M2M delivers major advantages for businesses. It automates tasks, improves efficiency, and offers cost savings and scalability. If you're building anything connected, from a smart device to a global logistics platform, M2M is the foundation. M2M communication might be behind the scenes, but it's changing how industries operate around the world. If you're building connected products or deploying IoT at scale, understanding M2M is step one. For connectivity options for your IoT devices, make sure to check out our website. The link is in the description. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.